Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can repurpose YouTube videos for TikTok. Let's say you've made a video for YouTube, but you want to just cut a part of that video and upload it to TikTok. I got you guys. So we're going to use an online free software for this tutorial. Now I want you to go to clipchamp.com. Like I said, it is a completely free editing software. You don't have to download anything. So you gotta click on try for free and you are going to go through the registration process. It is very simple. You can just log in with your Google account. Okay, so from here we wanna select create a video. All right, so we're taken to this page where we can edit our video. To import our media, we wanna click on the big plus sign right here to the left, and then we just wanna select browse files. Now these are all of my videos. I'm going to select a smaller one, for example this. I think it was about 2 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. So now our media is imported. How can we repurpose this for TikTok? Okay, so this is a horizontal video. If you go through the preview, as you can see, it is a horizontal video. What you need to do in order to upload it to TikTok is make this video vertical. So currently it is in aspect ratio of 16:9. What you need to do is click on this 16:9 button here and just make it 9:16. As you can see, this is how you do it, but the video is super small. What I suggest doing is just stretching this out and fitting it to the screen. This way you can focus on one thing over the other. And I'm not currently sure what the limit of TikTok when it comes to video length is, but if it is under a minute, probably not under a minute anymore, but if let's pretend it was under a minute and we want to cut this video, all we have to do is click somewhere on it like that, leave this line here and just press the S key, and this separates the video. If we want to delete the unneeded part, we just highlight this and we press the delete key. So that is how it works. You can now upload this to TikTok, but how can you export it? I forgot to say that. You just click this obviously big button here to the right that says export, and you want to select 1080p HD. Now it's going to render your video. As you can see, the quality is absolutely, it's source quality essentially. So after this is done rendering, it will give you the file which you can then install or which you can then upload to TikTok. All right, I hope this video was useful. I won't wait these 40 seconds. It is just going to download the file to the left here. I hope this video was useful. Leave a like, sub, and I'll see you boys and girls next time. Bye bye.